नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। और टुडे इज संडे एंड संडे डिस्कशन में एक वन राइट अप फ्रॉम द श्री एक्स बैंकर श्री धर्म सिंह जी फॉर टू डिस्कस अबाउट द कमिटी सेट अप फॉर द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फॉर पेंशन इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड व्हाट अबाउट विल बी द फॉर द अदर पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स. The Defense Ministry of Finance set up a committee of pension matters of SBI for making suggestions, improvements in the pension scheme reform in SBI only. Due to this, a lot of curiosity is being seen among the bank retirees colleagues. Yes, after 27 years of struggle, some ray of hope is visible regarding pension updation. But along with the curiosity, there is also some concern that what will happen to rest of the bank retirees. Will PSB retirees get anything or not? This kind of frustration is visible on a face, disappointment in the voice, but side by side, retirees have the hope that if the not today, then tomorrow the rest of the retirees will also get relief. Our number will also come. Everyone knows about the RBI that pension updation was done till 2017 with the efforts of unity of RBI management, RBI unions, officers association and RBI retirees organization without resorting to UFBU leaders. But SBI, why SBI retirees different from the us? What is the reason for the direct interference of the government? Let us analyze why SBI has got a special status. First, SBI is not bound by your Banking Pension Regulation 1995 and BPS negotiations. SBI Pension Regulations are not linked to wage renegotiation. SBI has framed its own pension regulation under the SBI Pension Regulation 1955. The said Section 55 empowers the Central Board of SBI to make regulations for retirement matters after consultation with RBI, and all pension regulations of the central government also incorporated in SBI regulation. Second, SBI and its employees are eligible for triple retirement benefits, whereas employees of the entire banking industry, including the central government as well as RBI, are eligible for 2 retirement benefits. As SBI employees are getting 3 retirement benefits and SBI management is contributing 10% of the basic salary towards contributory provident fund. That's why from 1999, the rules of 50% and 40% in basic pay are effective for pension. The limit has been revised from time to time. With effect from 1st November 2012, the limit for pension has been revised, where the average of the monthly substantive salary drawn during the last 12 months pensionable service is up to 51,490 per month, 50% of the average of monthly substantive salary. Above rupees 51,490 per month, 40% of the average of monthly substantive salary subject to minimum pension of rupees 25,745 drawn during the last 12 months. Pensionable service plus half of the PQP plus half of the incremental component of FPP wherever applicable. Third, the initial basic pay offered to an SBI officer with 4 advance increment. As per the revised bipartite agreement, the pay scale of an officer with 4 advance increment 36,000 to 63,840. This means that the officer will get the basic pay of rupees 1,490 with 4 increments. This is not applicable in other banks. Fourth, IBA's medical policy is a complete failure in front of SBI staff and retirees medical policy, because SBI has provided very cheap, good and effective medical policy for employers as well as SBI retirees, which is not in other banking industries. Fifth, SBI also demanded before the committee that according to 2005 agreement, all the hikes should be done from 2002. But IBA implemented many benefits from 2005 only. Similarly, in the agreement of 2015, some benefits were not implemented from 2012 and were implemented from 2015. They should be implemented from 2002 and 2012 itself. 6. The factor for commutation in SBI is 6.61, while in other banks it is 9.81. SBI people wants that they should also get a 9.81 factor so that they can benefit in the commutation. 7. SBI management, SBI unions and SBI retirees have a lot of understanding among themselves like RBI. It is a matter of great pleasure that they have tried to benefit many senior retirees from the relief package by giving ex gratia on June 23. In this way, pension updation would have been done in SBI in 2012 itself, but it was stopped after the intervention of the government that other banks will also have to provide these facilities. Ministry of Finance letter dated 25th January 12, the pension structure for different categories of pensioners will not be changed without the prior permission of the government. DFS Committee of 2016 for Pension Improvement in SBI, the committee was accepted in agreement that the rise in pension should ideally correspond with the rise in wage salaries at the time of wage revision in SBI. Conclusion. All SBI leaders want SBI pensioners to get all the facilities that are available in other banks. Like other banks, instead of 40% pension calculation, everyone should get 50% of the basic pension for all SBI retirees. The facilities which are available to other banks should also be implemented in SBI, and the facilities which are available in SBI more than other banks are the birthright of SBI staff. Even the banks which have merged with SBI, they have also not received all the benefits of SBI till date. Sri Venkatachalamji and the Bandlesji, two strong pillars of the UFBU, but they are busy settling their score. Who is bigger? Who is strong? Both have their own selfishness. Venkatachalamji is interested in providing maximum benefits to the working award staff so they can get the maximum levy, because he thinks that perhaps the governments can make a separate agreement with SBI on the line of RBI with a special status. Bandlesji is insisting on the benefiting only SBI staff and pensioners. Do they not see any meaning in the rest? There is no one here to listen because money is everything. In this way, the officers' retirees of the rest of the bank's retirees are feeling helpless. Neither UFBU listen nor IBA. They are getting date after date in the court. While everything is clear in favor of the retirees, we can hope from the court and the government of India that the retirees of the banks will also get justice by giving pension updation and 100% DA neutralization very soon. Thank you friends. Namaskar.